Hey, what's up? So this question is called customers who never order. So suppose that a website contains two tables, the customers table and the orders table. Write a SQL query to find all the customers who never ordered anything. So as you can see, this is the customers table. We have only ID and name, and the orders we have ID and customer ID. So this is something really typical you will find in a normal application, but maybe with more columns, but they don't actually matter. We only need the names for the employees for the customers who never order. So as you can see, the only two who ordered from this table is number 3, or the ID of the customer of ID 3 and 1. So 3 and 1 only ordered. So we'll get Henry and Max. That's why this output is Henry and Max. So let me just write a query and I will explain it along the way. So now just put star. I will select everything for now from customers. I will call it COS. I will join it with the orders. Call it ord on the orders dot customer ID will be equal to the customer dot ID. But if you think about it, now let's just get the customer dot name. Now let's look in the output. So customer dot name, in the output they will call it customers. So I'll name it as customers. So if you think about this query, this will only get the customers who ordered. So let's just run it. This will run it on the first example. This will get Joey and Sam. So as you can see, we have the header is customers. Now we only have Joey and Sam. We want actually the customers who never ordered. So a way to start getting to this point, let's just convert this to left. Left join will get everything from the left side, no matter what the condition is here. So now if we run this, we will see Joey and Henry and Sam and Max, all of these people. So we have Sam, Joey, and Henry and Max. We have all of them. So let's just put here start to see how we can actually modify the query to give us only the people who never ordered. So as you can see, we have the headers is ID and name. These are from the customer. Now ID and customer ID. These are from the orders. So as you can see, Sam and Joey, only the people that ordered are Sam and Joey, as you can see here. So this is the row for Sam. His ID is 3. His name is Sam. His order ID is 1. His customer ID in the orders table is 3, which is the same as the ID. We have also Joey. The same thing applies. But if you take a closer look at Henry and Max, these are the people who never ordered. Their customer ID or order ID in the orders table are null. So what we can do is to get the names where the orders dot customer ID is null. Something like, yeah, it's like this. To be honest, I'm not sure, but it's recommended to put is null, not equal null. I'm not quite sure why, but this is the recommended way. I once read why, but I forgot. But so this should be it. Yeah, it's got accepted. And thank you.